Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Zerolemon Wireless Juice. Now this is a 60 watt PD rugged portable battery that features wireless charging. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, 80 bucks. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. 60 watts USB-C power delivery, input and output. The wireless juice can be recharged in 2 hours and charge a MacBook Pro to 90% in 4 hours and fully charge a Nintendo Switch in 1 hour. The fastest charger on the market. 26,800 milliamp large capacity with wireless charging. 3 outputs with 26,800 milliamp capacity can charge 3 devices simultaneously and charge an iPhone 11 10 times, a MacBook Pro 1 time, and can also charge any device that's Qi compatible. Rugged design with survival military buckle. Now this is one of the best parts about this charger. Rain resistant, dirt proof, and shock proof. The survival buckle is built with a flint fire starter, high quality compass, a loud whistle, an emergency knife, and 12 feet of military grade 550 power cord. Now you also get a multifunctional LED flashlight with 4 light modes. So you got max brightness, low brightness, strobe, and SOS. All of that for 80 bucks. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white shoes.
calm down. All right, here we go. Zerolemon Wireless Juice. 26,800 milliamps. Now on a side note, if you never heard of Zerolemon, I completely co-signed this company. I just took this out of my car. Now this has been my emergency portable battery pack. Fully charged. This has been in my car for about 3 months straight. Same thing, dust proof, dirt proof, shock proof, everything proof. Still works like brand new. So I definitely stand by Zerolemon. Let's get it on. All right, inside, this is going to be your wireless juice. Okay. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them and follow them. Zerolemon guarantee. And an extended 1-year warranty. Now this is going to be your survival buckle. Okay, your 550 power cord with your compass. Let's see, this is going to be your emergency knife. We'll play with all that stuff in a second. All right, Shoes, do your thing. And you also get USB-A to USB-C charging cable. All right, so let's take a look at this. Now in the front, this is going to be your Qi wireless charging pad. Like I said, you can charge any phone that has Qi wireless charging. Shoes is trolling me right now. Let's see, this is going to be your power button. You got 4 LEDs. All right, so this one is on 75%. Got a little space right here so you can throw a carabiner or throw a loop in there if you want. Let's see, this is going to be your SOS button. Now, since this is rain resistant, you got a little flap right here. So you got USB Type-C. This is how you're going to charge it up. 2 USB-A ports. And on the back, this is a giant flashlight. That also works as a strobe light. All right, so I'm going to pause the video, file White Shoes to the side, figure out how to use this, and we'll come back in. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. First up, build quality. Now, this definitely lives up to the name, rugged. Nice heavy weight on this. Got your rugged grips on the sides. And like I said, splash proof, dirt proof, and shock proof. Now, on a side note, as I was playing around with the flashlight, I just remembered that I got the Zerolemon Solar Juice. So I said, let me run out to the garage and go get that so y'all can see how these batteries last over time. And check this out. Now I pulled this out of the garage, haven't used it in over 6 months. Hit the power button, still fully charged up. Still looks brand new. Same thing with my Tough Juice. This has been in my car for over 3 months. Press the button, still fully charged up. Still looks brand new. These rugged battery chargers are totally worth the money. Let's keep it moving. Next up, flashlight. Now you got a power button right here with 3 different modes. All right, so first we'll turn it on. This is going to be max brightness. Now I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but this is mad bright. Then you got low brightness. And then you got strobe. Now once you turn this off, you do have one more mode, SOS. So if you hold this down, bang, SOS. This is the perfect charger to leave in your car. Anything happens, you got a bunch of battery power on deck. You got a flashlight, strobe light, and SOS. Pretty sick. Next up, charging the battery. Grab a USB Type-C, open up that flap. Just gonna plug this in. And there it is. Takes 2 hours to fully charge up. Now let's charge up a few products. Hit that power button. First, we got an iPhone. Wireless charger on deck. Next up, let's try a Galaxy. Wireless charger on deck. Let's charge up a few more products. All right, now this charger is capable of charging 3 devices at the same time. So let's try that out. Hit the power button. First, we'll charge up a 16-inch MacBook Pro. Okay, that's charging up. Next, we'll grab an iPhone. That's charging up. Next, let's get a Galaxy. Charging up as well. All right, check this out. Now, depending on the size, you can actually charge 4 devices at once. It's just going to charge a lot slower. Watch this. Got an iPhone right here. Okay, so next, let's grab an iPad Pro. Okay, that's charging up. Let's grab Galaxy Fold. That's charging up. And we'll grab one more iPhone. Charging up. So I got the green light on the iPad, green light on the iPhone. You can see Fold is still charging up and the iPhone is charging up. But this device is charging slowly. So charge 3 devices at one time if you want the fastest charging speeds. All right, so now let's take a look at the survival buckle. Now this is made out of military grade 550 paracord. So anything happens, you can untangle this and have up to 12 feet. Now Zerolemon claims the max load on this is 500 pounds. Got a compass on the front. This is a whistle. Got a little emergency knife. See those ridges? Pull that out and use it as a flint fire starter. Nice little add-on right here. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Zerolemon wireless juice is a major go. You got 60 watts USB-C PD, a 26,800 milliamp battery. You get wireless charging, an LED flashlight with 4 different modes. It's rugged, rain, dirt, and shock resistant. All of that for 80 bucks. This is a win. Now, on the side note, if you don't care about wireless charging and you don't care about the LED lights and you just want to charge up a bunch of devices, save some money and go with the Tough Juice. Now, this one is going to run you 60 bucks. It's 30,000 milliamps. You got 2 USB Type-Cs, 4 USB A's. And like I said, this one is ultra rugged. I had it for over 2 years. You can't break this. Now, if you don't care about wireless charging, but you want an LED flashlight and you want to save some money, go with the Solar Juice. Now, this one is going to run you 50 bucks. It's 26,800 milliamps. You got USB Type-C, 2 USB A's. But the best thing about this is the solar panel charging. You see that green light on the front? As long as that green light is on, that means these solar panels are drawing power to it. So if you're buying this for your backyard, for your car, or for any outdoor activities, this thing is always going to be charged up. Me personally, I got a MacBook, so I need the 60 watts USB-C PD. And of course, I need wireless charging, so I'm going with the wireless juice. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. All right, so last up, let's take a look at the survival buckle. All right, Shoes. Shoes. I need you to calm down, bro.